Good afternoon, Monroe School District staff. This is Jesse with the Tech Department. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install printers onto your local computers using the new Print Logic installation tool. To begin, we're going to click on the lower right-hand corner of your screen on the up arrow. This will show you a variety of different icons that you have accessible to you. You're going to look for the icon that looks like a small printer with a green box and a white plus in it, indicated here. Left-click on the icon, and it will launch a tab in your Chrome browser. In the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a list of buildings that you are located in. Select the folder that indicates the building that you're in this case, Frank Wagner Center. After selecting the folder, I'm now presented with a map of the facility. On that map are the available printers that I'm able to install. Move your cursor over the printer that you would like to install. You'll notice there's printer name information, driver information, and location information when you put your cursor over the printer. I'm going to click the Install Printer button. From here, I'm asked to confirm if I want to install the printer and if I would like to set it as my default printer. In this case, I do. I will select the box to set as default, and I'll press Yes to install the printer. The printer installs, and you can see the status in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This can take anywhere from 10 seconds to 60 seconds for the install to complete. Once the install is completed, you will be notified that this has been done. Press OK. At this point, you have successfully installed the printer using Print Logic. To print, you will just use the normal printing methods. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please contact the help desk, and have a wonderful day.